Hi, my name is Tiffany and this is my PSA. I designed this PSA to replicate what our oceans look like in this moment in time. I used 4 different kinds of fish to show that there are many different types of marine life that are being affected by the plastics in our oceans. I put the fish inside of the water bottle to show that that's what they're living in right now. That's what their home looks like. It's also why I chose the motto that I did, Our Home. Today I'm going to talk to you about the risks if people keep polluting our oceans. I believe this PSA is a good representation of what's happening to marine life right now. There is so much plastic and debris that it's damaging marine life ecosystems and killing over 100,000 marine mammals every year. It's sad because there is so much life in the ocean, and I think people need to be more aware of what they do with their trash. Did you know that there's a pileup of plastic in our oceans called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? And what it is floating trash that is between California and Hawaii. It spreads roughly 600,000 square miles. If people started using reusable bags, recycling their plastics, disposing of their trash properly, or even just spreading the word on the importance of protecting our oceans, I believe we can make a big difference. This PSA will hopefully make you think about ways that you can help save marine life so that it can save billions of sea creatures worldwide.